Hi, this is Mark at Ding Dog's Garden. This is Teramo Fig. It's round. When it ripens, it gets kind of a cracked appearance on the surface. We're kind of in our second tranche here of ripening figs, so it's not the earliest, but it's probably early to mid-season fig. We planted it in ground this year, but I think as the roots develop, it'll grow a lot bigger next year. It's not that big of a tree this year. A lot of our in-pot figs are larger than this one, but it is producing. So let's go ahead and look at these. They're different stages of ripeness, and we'll get a sense of how they look. So the three I picked have different stages of ripeness. On the left here is the most ripe, and since figs ripen from the center of the fruit out, you can see that these are a little less ripe. And so one way to tell if a fig is ripe is if it's firm, it means it's not fully ripened yet. But this is Teramo Fig at different kind of stages of ripeness. It's an early to mid-season fig for us, and it ripens for us. We're here in the Pacific Maritime Northwest, and it ripens for us in a hoop house, and this is mid-September.